Phrase 1. The small hours of the night. Meaning. The hours immediately after midnight. Example. Jim goes to bed in the wee hours and gets up at lunchtime. The dance went on into the small hours of the night. Phrase 2. Translate something from something into something. Meaning. To decode something from something, such as a language, to another. Example. I can translate it into Russian from any Romance language. Will you please translate this from Russian into English? Phrase 3. Feel up to something. Meaning. To feel well enough or prepared enough to do something. Example. I don't feel up to jogging today. Aunt Mary didn't feel up to making the visit. Phrase 4. Speak for oneself. Meaning. To speak on one's own behalf. Example. I can speak for myself. I don't need you to speak for me. Speak for yourself. What you say does not represent my thinking. Phrase 5. It's been a slice. Meaning. It's been good. Example. It's been a slice. I hope to see you again someday. Goodbye and thank you. It's been a slice. Phrase 6. Permit someone up something. Meaning. To allow someone to come up something. Example. I wanted to climb the ladder to be with Walter, but he wouldn't permit me up. She would not permit me up the ladder. Phrase 7. Amount up to something. Meaning. For a sum of money, to increase, to a large amount. Example. Is that everything you want to buy? That amounts to $20. These charges amount up to a lot. Phrase 8. Fuse something with something. Meaning. To bond something together with something. Example. You have to fuse the upper layer to the lower layer with heat. He used heat and pressure to fuse the patch with the soft rubber of the raft. Phrase 9. Cast iron stomach. Meaning. A very strong stomach that can withstand bad food or anything nauseating. Example. If I didn't have a cast iron stomach, I couldn't eat this stuff. Fred, known for his cast iron stomach, ate 10 whole hot peppers. Phrase 10. Take a spill. Meaning. To have a fall. To tip over. Example. John had quite a spill when he fell off his bicycle. And tripped on the curb and took a nasty spill.